To toggle anatomical systems in the app, start by clicking on an anatomical system icon located at the bottom of the screen. This action will open a small pop-up overlay. In this pop-up, you can use the plus and minus buttons to navigate through the layers of the selected anatomical system. Pressing the plus button will increase the layer visibility, while pressing the minus button will decrease it. When a system is set to layer 0, it will be completely hidden from view. You can also press and hold the plus or minus button to quickly move to the highest or lowest layer. Additionally, you can press the icon at the top to colorize all separate parts of this anatomical system. This feature helps you clearly distinguish between different parts. Press the icon again to turn off the colorization. If any part of the anatomical system is hidden or faded, a restore icon will appear on the anatomical system icon. Clicking the same anatomical system icon will now also show a restore button at the top of the pop-up overlay. Press this restore button to reset the anatomical system to its current active layer.